Welcome to this video. It's a little bit of a long one, but it's myself and Mr. Fish off-roading, and I dropped my bike a few times for your enjoyment.
You know, I just thought about it now that I don't have a tube in there. Now that I don't have a tube in there, it's
even better than that. You've got a new tyre.
Yeah, I know. It's actually gripped there.
Yeah, it's not bald in the middle.
I'm gonna have a noticeable difference now.
Yeah. You'll go forward instead of sideways. So you're running tubeless on the back now.
Yeah, tubeless on the back.
And standard on the front. Tube.
Yeah, and standard on the front.
You can drop that virtually to zero then.
I can, yeah. I'm not gonna. I'm gonna drop it down to like maybe half or something. Very nice. So do you want to skip, we'll skip all the chalk. No, we can do the flint, that's alright. Yeah. Well, Billy's not here today. If Billy was here...
I like the flint.
Oh, we'll go slow.
Well, you can go up to...
I know you can go right and then we can go that way.
That chalky,
if you...
It's not too bad. I went up there...
No, it's flat. It's flat.
It's flat. There's a couple of ruts.
Yeah, no.
Too bad. I don't mind that one.
You don't want to do the flint?
No. Why would I want to do the flint?
Hi, doggy. Oh, that actually felt quite good. I actually had grip then. I was hoping the back wheel would spin. No, it didn't. Give the mud gallons of this stuff. Yes, nice. Nice bit of air there. Very nice. Pretty planted, these tyres today. Ooh. Hey, whee. Oh, I don't want to go through this. Let's just go through the middle. Yep, avoid the ruts, avoid the water. Don't want to do any of this. I don't want to get wet, too wet. I'd rather not today. It's very deep. Yeah, it's very deep. Bit deep today, isn't it?
Deeper, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit deeper. We're getting there. Oh,
Is it going to go?
that's in my boots. That's gone into the right boot there.
Oh, mine are alright actually.
I've got sealskins on, so it's just weighing me down now.
I've got human skin on.
Human skin. Sealskin. Not sponsored. Hashtag not sponsored. Sealskin waterproof socks. Asked for socks for Christmas. They're about 30 quid. stand up. It's a bit sludgy here. Oh, I don't know why I've decided to stay in the rut. whatever. Can I get up this rut? Maybe not, but coming up I can. Up we go. There we are. Out. Didn't send me into the tree that much. Ah, it's starting to rain. Yikes! Whoa. Okay, so my K60s do have a limit still, even with the tubeless system. Just completely started to squirm all over the place then. Whoa, right there again. Started to send me off a bit there. Well, a lot better than it normally is, I must admit. Still a bit squirmy though. Whoa. And when I hit the thick goopy mud, it doesn't. Oh. When I hit the thick goopy stuff, oh, it just still goes a bit sideways. Oh, I don't want to go through this one. This one could be quite deep. Okay. Oi. We can get through. We can get through there. Loads of room. Yeah, loads of room. Whoa, that was blue. Filming. Shall I go first to test the water? Okay. That's a bit deep, isn't it? Yeah, it's quite deep. I can put my phone in my pocket just in case. Whoa! Oh, damn it. Oh, that's close.
No man's land, you think, I just got to go for it.
It pushes you a bit though, you feel it, the river pushes you today a bit.
That's why I did it. Kind of pushed the back round so it pointed.
Look at all this water coming down here as well.
I was going to go up there, but I just saw that and thought, fuck it, and then I hit it and I thought, oh, my wrist's hurt now.
I think someone's coming. Or is that just farmer?
That's a car, it's a Jeep.
Oh, it's that Jeep.
Yeah, right.
We better get going. Oh.
You alright?
Yeah. I thought I'll give it some. I'll go around this corner and just give it a little.
You alright?
No, the chain came off, look.
Oh, damn. Want me to lift it?
If you lift it up. Like that. Got it? Don't grab the exhaust this time, yeah?
Yeah, no, no.
Oh wait, it's in gear, isn't it? Put it down.
What gear are you in?
I don't know. Turn the bike on, so... There we go. Right, put it down. Just,
You trying to show off?
yeah, I thought, I know, I'll give it some. I thought I got loads of grip today. No, I ain't. Right, so this one can be a bit quite slippery, so it'll be extra slippery for me, so I'll see how we go. Yeah, alright. It's so slippery. The problem is, I went to pick it up and your feet just slip.
2, 3.
Oh! Might be able to get it up this time. Come on, off the rut. When you get off the...
Whew. If I keep working out like this, I'm going to have to pay you membership.
Just lanes like this, you know, the K60s will struggle on. Just like ice.
Yeah. What you need is some off-road tyres.
Ooh. Don't fancy pushing this out. I'll sort that out later. Let's put it in here. Oh, my feet are stuck to the floor. Ugh. God damn, that was deep, boy. This is just mud, normal mud, not clay. There's enough stuff there to... Ah! Ah! Oh, he's got his stride on now. He's got his wiggle on. No, we're going that way, but someone's done all this.
Oh, okay.
That's the stop bikers, this is. I was out here the other, I don't know, a month ago or so, and someone had blocked all that up there earlier on as well.
It's ridiculous, isn't it? Like children. That's heavy, isn't it?
Well, it's braking, so...
Oh, it's not that heavy.
No, it's that balsa wood, isn't it, or something?
Under it.
Should just move it over there.
Yeah, just roll it.
It's that punching wood, isn't it? Who's done that?
Some prick.
Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. It's pretty good. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh yeah, that's nice. But you knackered now?
Well, that's it for this video. If you could drop it a like, that'd be much appreciated, and I'll give another video later on when I've had more experience with this tubeless system. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Ciao.